okay, say you put out for cinema. You now as a guy, where they toast babe, your friend can't tell you because girls they fear horror movie. When they watch horror movie, when you reach where you go, you get go hold you. Oh my God! Can't go, you get go to hold you. They all shock. Kalu Chuko go cinema, go watch Reverie. Now you get the hold the girl. You have to say, maintain yourself. Nah, normal thing with the happen for worry. Anyway, Heaven. Waiting be the thing when you say inspire the storyline. It don't happen. When I something don't happen, I be just say that you think I be you say I'm for drain.
I be you say I'm for heaven.
I be you say I'm for heaven, true. Come wait to inspire the storyline. Meanwhile, when I feel they call us to talk to heaven and hell. Sorry, heaven and Ikenna.
No, heaven and Grey Lotus.
Grey Lotus.
Okay. How I get the inspiration to write this story?
You're a very wicked man. It's something for me. Someone will see you like this and think your mind used to go far. For you to think, I'm just looking at now. No, his face has become clear to me.
I may answer first.
Oh my God. So
How?
I just day house one day.
Like no day back.
Actually, Ikenna is like a brother to me.
Okay.
So he call me say he get one story where he go like my write because I don't already day into writing. This is not our first film.
Okay.
So he can tell me say, but he just write them out inside one small jota, an idea of the story. So when he can show me this stuff, I say, this thing, I think I can make something out of this.
Okay.
So I go tell him and say, okay, make you no worry. He just tell me say, okay, now what do you think be this? Okay. So me, I come and say, okay, leave the rest for me. So I came up with the name because when I do write, I feel say. If I'm writing, I always look at one thing: Nigerian setting, cliche, and all that.
Exactly.
And like I pitch to people, I tell them, say, me, I be new age writer. I want to write like so. But African Magic, na my best.
Okay.
Now my best TV station.
Okay.
So when I watch African Magic, I can always pitch on their mistakes and all that.
Okay.
That's my style.
So don't they,
Okay.
wonder.
That's my style actually.
Okay.
So then I ventured into writing that script. So I feel like, okay, the best way I feel capture this film, not to bring them into daydream.
Okay. Hold on. Okay, good evening from Owure. Okay.
Hello, Nedu.
How is you? Are you with me?
Nedu.
Tomato. Sorry, if you are yellow. If you are black, you are dry yam.
Nedu, how far now?
You know I'm before.
Kesi.
Ma, you don't see heaven. Heaven is here.
Heaven there, yeah.
Man, I'm loving your outfit, baby.
Oh.
Wait, which baby?
I thought so, Kesi, Nedu, not for you.
It's talent.
Kesi, good evening.
Evening. Who did this?
No, Nedu and Kesi, I want to talk to.
Oh. We is here.
Hello, Nedu.
Hello.
Anyway, I said, make a hello, now nothing much.
Anyway, I say make a hello, now nothing much.
You don't do it with
Philip from Abuja, good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Good evening, Nedu.
Good evening, Nedu.
Nedu, good evening. How you doing?
Nedu, good evening. How you doing? Philip, how now?
I'm doing well, Nedu. Are you with me?
I am with you. When I talk to us, we they hear you.
Now this my brother will be heaven, Kalu, and Ikenna. They trying a good job with that. They tell them say make they keep it up. It's easy.
So if that film come out, you go buy and watch him. If that film come out, you go buy and watch him.
Where I go buy water?
Will I be water? Oh, no worry. Bye-bye. Good, Philip. Good night. Oh, peace before you sleep. Oh, Izu from Ibadan.
That is
Izu from Ibadan.
Yeah, Keke man.
Eh, na pasaka pasat. How is you? Are you with him?
One you mau. Keke man.
You don't answer that one now.
Zidro. No.
Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Yeah. Heaven and earth. I don't call him hell. If I call him hell.
I call him Ed, better.
Let me call him head. Let me call him head.
Oh my God.
Then they hear you.
Now na movie. Na horror film. I've been waiting.
What do you think?
Now horror film.
I want act.
Now horror film is who? Now horror film.
You see one act.
Na 18 plus. I've been a video 18. Like I know because I see the as long as I talk yesterday, I see the 18 and below.
No, you now for your own. You feel watch them. No matter how old you be, you feel watch them.
I think I agree to now. Easy.
Boss.
I see you.
Hey, Baba, agree.
Ongwani Izu, good night. You don't chop night food.
No, I never chop.
Peace before you sleep, oh, peace.
You say?
Peace before you go bed.
Arrange your bed, oh.
Now you say you did like saying I'm waiting make you write the movie with that. Now back to you, Ikenna. Waiting make you just sit down. You not think of anything.
It's good get for medal because if it's me that asks that question, you know me self, it get as my mind they work. So now you just show everybody say our mind they work together.
Anyway, Lubisi, good evening. Wonder how is you?
I'm fine though.
Are you with me?
I'm with you.
Talk to us, we dey hear you. We get Heaven and Net in the studio.
Okay, I don't know how can it go.
No, then they hear you. Pasamu. Thank you. Say I find this. Thank you. I suspect this you find.
Bye no.
Bye you.
Make it now can invite
Star boy.
Say in my car this evening. No, say you fine this evening.
I see a response. You don't hang. You can't change them.
Now, before I before I come to the next question, I want to ask you, what thing you they do will make you think of that kind of thing? Can't give him. Him now can't be the heaven.
No, they do not be this man be the problem. He write them for Yota. I just have a few ideas. Maybe write A, B, C, D, E. He said, just help me look at maybe we make sense. And give me
So now heaven now can't write all those evil
light
people.
no day.
Okay.
He say I go show them their father. So you come give them belly, come you know.
But wait, for that trailer, I noticed say that they speak one language.
Yeah. Now they not wear cloth.
They not wear cloth. Now create that language, Abi.
Yeah, we create them.
People like that you be the creator.
No, what's happened? I say we don't want to use any normal Nigerian language. We don't want to use Yoruba, Hausa, or Igbo. Okay. Some people no go say, "Na so Yoruba film dey be," or
na then get
so
you go be like say personalize them to try.
So we can't get inspiration for some kind. People we don't did before us now Hollywood. They do for if you notice this movie Avatar.
Yes.
Then create language from
exactly.
So now we
Even
can't
Game
talk
of
to
Thrones.
Lai our line producer, like come say okay, I can.
Una no way, be like say all of them no way.
No,
they don't know who speak our language. They say we know.
You feel speak, I know how.
You speak am.
What's the language?
Vivo
What's that mean?
Be like
Oye
God.
sehu.
Pato cinepa.
Ovuvukate. Those carrots. Hey.
Now try yourself. Now try yourself. We dey speak PC, so you know when there's something uvuvukate and partly done.
Yes.
Do you know the oviviture? You see, they don't know what we're talking about. You see, when the wall begin to vakava, now the octalidon we now and the valaput. It now become a duvet. Don't try us. We don't speak anything we want to speak. Don't try us.
We don't play.
Now, I'm gonna ask you this question quickly. What make you think of this film?
Okay, this film, it happened say, okay, I did work out with some of my friends, Solomon, KC, F Sharp, and Obinna. So we can't enter room, and then the room just dark.
Light no there, Abi?
Light no there, as we come back, NEPA don't off. Then we think, we first say me will do film, we be dark room. We the one that say, which one be dark room, dark room? See, almost see as room dark. See, imagine you just enter, you just lost. Nah, I say,
See people.
what we go do? We think
People like people who they plan to thief.
As in,
They
you
start
get
their
that
plan.
crooks.
Yeah, he say, imagine, we there here, now you enter room, you lost.
You
Lost
lost.
from where? Why you go think say you go lost?
So, as we just come reason and say, imagine say you just lost here. Can't wake up for one kind of place where you don't know anything. You can't look, can't, as in you just
don't remember
confused.
Sunday night show. Quickly, we still get Heaven and Ikenna inside the studio. Una
No,
don't say,
Grey Goose.
great. Shagis. Shagis.
No, now.
You go no person when they drink pieces. You they drink pieces. Yeah, I could have chair. Now you for monkey tail.
What's it mean?
Oh, go.
You sound like that, don't go, Joe. Grey Guinness. What's it mean?
Grey lettuce.
Now, quickly before we come up for inside studio, we will not get time again. Now, how long you done the write for? How long you done the write
I started like 27 when I originally started writing.
2007.
Yeah.
And what's be the biggest break where you don't get? When you go say na the biggest job where you don't do since you start the write movies?
Okay. Daystar.
Okay, Daystar. Okay.
Reverend Sam Adeyemi's church.
Okay.
Because I attended the academy as
Okay,
well.
the academy. Okay.
So
But
wait,
I'm-
you know
I'm
they
also-
write comedy, romance at all. You be like, who go write all those kind of, even with the way they talk. You don't. You be like, say you know they even write romance. You know they even near them.
Very, very
Your own romance, somebody must die.
No. My
Don't
first
die yet,
feature
sir.
film was about a lady that has cancer.
You must do something.
But it was love. It was actually love in the end. It
Okay.
was really
Now
Love with
you say the first one where you write the major one where you go say you don't write, the one where you write for Daystar, and pretty much other ones where you don't write.
Yes.
Now this one we will just rush. I say rush.
Caritas.
Rush. Tell us like
No, Caritas Chase.
Oh, Caritas Chase.
Yes, Casey.
Caritas Chase, Casey. Now, briefly in 1 minute, if you tell us what's in that movie there about, what happened for that movie?
Okay.
Yeah, just person now.
Okay. The movie there about the lady will get asthma.
Okay, wait, be that.
Yeah, that Oyibo. And again, when I started writing, one of the places I actually loved touching is medicals.
Okay.
So I want when people are watching my film, you'll be able to learn something at least.
Okay.
There are so many sicknesses out there. A lot of people don't know. They're just
So we know
faking
only
it.
romance and weapon.
Yeah, they're just faking it.
Mommy Clinton!
Are you with me?
I am with you. Talk to us with it. We got Heaven and Night inside studio.
Yes, so I know. Kathy,
Ma,
you look sweet, so you too fine today.
tell you, it's my talent, but you know now, it's my talent for a long time.
My sister, I see as you see. You feel like that's where from airport they come.
So the only airport people they find.
Good evening.
Good evening, well done.
I did fine. Yeah, good evening.
Heaven.
Good evening.
Good evening, Heaven and Ikenna.
Good evening.
Good evening. I say Heaven, this thing, you have their state, Abi?
Yeah,
You
obviously.
don't know where answer Kalu there.
Nah, Heaven, now. Or half here.
Exactly.
You don't have your
Yes.
Una really fine for this people.
Thank you, ma.
Thank you, ma.
One has get in mind, you get do this kind of thing, this well, as I say, listen.
Thank you so much.
It don't come out.
No, I still did.
Now come out.
No, Caritas Chase is on.
Caritas Chase, don't they?
It's on YouTube.
You go YouTube, you go search for Caritas
Just search
Chase.
Caritas
There.
Chase.
Just type Caritas Chase, you go search for YouTube. Then the horror one, it remains small, it go soon come out.
You go done.
That horror one, children know if you watch them.
Your sister.
Mommy Clinton! Mommy Clinton! Your children be like, who get mine? Then go be watch am.
They go watch them.
I talk am, your children get mine.
God bless you now. Now really.
Thank you, ma.
Mommy
Thank you, ma.
Clinton, thank you.
Good night, eh?
Good night.
Now, quickly before I come up for inside studio, Ikenna, how long you done dey into movie making, and what you go say, okay, be the prospect, what make people dey expect from you in the coming seasons.
Yes.
And what do you mean exactly?
Don't finish.
Don't finish.
Okay. So far, I don't do a few movies. My first feature film, we get 3 nominations in 2014 Abuja International Film Festival, out of which they win 1. Okay. Best actress, way Bimbo Ademoye win.
Yeah.
Then they nominated alongside bosses like Lancelot Imasun and and all these top people. And to me, a big honor because that was my first feature film ever. So after that one, can't do Characters Chase, don't do. My first short film was Olympia. So that one, nice write that one.
You say right.
We're not friends, Abi.
We brothers. We don't come up for friend level.
No, wait.
Friends, not brother. Friday, good
Now
evening.
me even act inside that one.
Oh, now you act.
I'll be the main second lead role.
But
Friday.
Hello, guys. Good evening.
Good evening. How you doing?
Are they fine?
Talk to us. We get heaven and earth inside studio.
I know.
You dey rush go anywhere.
First time caller, name on top.
Awa Nulu.
Baba
My name na Nedu no Munulu.
Oga Nedu.
How far na?
Ade.
What happen?
Nothing happened.
So you don't talk finish?
No.
I talk now.
Flavor.
Flavor. Oh, it just come out now.
Tell Flavor, tell me that Rita Dominic.
Oh, now Rita Dominic make you give belle.
Make you give belly.
Okay.
We'll go tell him.
No problem. Thank you very much, Friday. How many people you don't give belle? Good night. Anyway, quickly, sadly, we'll not get time. If they pay me, say we'll not get time again. I happy for, rather, we happy for waiting when they do the jobs when they do. I'm not gonna like
ask them if they know they fight inside work.
When they fight for work, when they work. When they fight.
no.
Well,
Or let's say deliver.
You know, if you see one thing,
If they be man and woman, they for marry well.
nah, they for don't marry now. No, that time they for the quarrel pass. because this guy, maybe na him for be the man, because he can resemble woman.
And he get very wicked man.
They get very wicked mind. So women, and then they get, imagine I go enter that hard dark room. They think of how dark things go. And women, they think that kind of thing.
Just creativity, dark creativity.
Anyway, those who are following us for social media, those who want follow up with our jobs, things we want get to do. Because I don't go like, if personally I go like, I not feel wait to make that I not feel wait to make it come outside. Those who want follow on our social
When
media,
they come out, what at 1:27 a.m.
127.
Nah, early in the morning. So what if it's not social media? Your social media handles.
On Instagram now, The Grey Lotus. Then
The Grey Lotus.
The Grey Lotus.
Okay.
For Twitter,
The
Grey.
Okay,
Grey
the Grey Lotus.
The Grey Lotus
Okay.
for Facebook, Ikenna Oguike, Grey Lotus Studios.
Yes.
Twitter.
What Grey Lotus? What give you?
Grey Lotus.
I named his company as
Oh,
well.
now you name a Grey Lotus.
Everything that has to do with writing, I do it.
It's okay, no, it's not correct.
It's
It's not correct.
Let me tell him.
We don't be arguing. No. Okay, let me ask you. So this is you see, everything that happens, even in name, let me give it.
And all the name for Lagos. For your handles, those one for handles.
Okay, on Twitter, Heaven Casey.
Heaven KC.
And on Instagram, I'm Heaven Casey as well.
Heaven KC. Just go Instagram. Heaven KC. K and C.
No, K-A-Y-C.
Okay, K-A-Y-C-E-E, Heaven KC. Now you became Heaven handles. And then I'll stop it. You don't know Ikenna own Grey Lotus, the Grey Lotus. Anyway, till tomorrow. Una good night. Bye-bye. God bless you.
To enjoy more of these our ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.